Set the stage for the journey of seamless travel with top hacks to transform exploration. Welcome to our channel, where we uncover the secrets to effortless and unforgettable travel experiences. In this video, we will share expert tips and tricks to enhance your adventures and make your journeys seamless. Discover the importance of smooth travel and how it can elevate your exploration to new heights. Get ready to be inspired as we delve into the transformative power of these travel hacks that will revolutionize the way you see the world. Choosing the right destination. Selecting the perfect travel spot to enhance your exploration experience. When it comes to choosing the ideal destination for your next adventure, it's essential to do your research. Explore a variety of destinations that align with your travel preferences and interests, ensuring a truly fulfilling experience. Consider factors such as budget, the time of year, and your personal preferences to narrow down your options. Opt for destinations that promise unique experiences and opportunities for adventure, guaranteeing a trip that will leave you with unforgettable memories. Packing like a pro, mastering the art of efficient packing for seamless travel. To pack like a pro, start by creating a detailed packing list that includes all your essentials without the risk of overpacking. Utilize packing cubes or organizers to optimize space and keep your belongings neatly organized in your luggage. When it comes to clothing, pack versatile items that can be mixed and matched to create various outfits, saving space and ensuring you're prepared for any occasion during your travels. With these packing tips, you'll be ready for a hassle-free and well-organized journey. Navigating transportation. Optimizing your travel from one point to another for a smooth journey. Ensure a seamless journey by researching transportation options in advance to identify the most efficient and cost-effective methods for getting around. Utilize travel apps or websites to book tickets and plan routes, allowing for smooth transitions between destinations. Consider exploring alternative modes of transportation, such as local trains or buses, to immerse yourself in the local culture and enhance your travel experience. By following these guidelines, you can navigate transportation with ease and make the most of your journey. Exploring off the beaten path. Discovering hidden gems and unique experiences during your travels. Venture off the tourist trail and immerse yourself in authentic cultural experiences by interacting with locals to uncover hidden spots and gems. Embrace spontaneity and be open to exploring beyond the typical tourist attractions, allowing for unexpected discoveries and memorable moments. Seek recommendations from fellow travelers or online travel communities to uncover offbeat adventures and hidden treasures that will add a touch of magic to your journey. Embrace the unknown and let your curiosity guide you to extraordinary experiences. Embracing technology, harnessing the power of technology to enhance your travel experience. Maximize your travel experience by downloading essential travel apps for navigation, translation, and trip planning, ensuring a seamless journey from start to finish. Invest in portable chargers and adapters to stay connected and powered up throughout your adventures, allowing you to capture every moment without interruption. Utilize online resources to research destinations, discover local recommendations, and stay informed while on the go, enabling you to make the most of your travels with the help of technology. In conclusion, we've explored the significance of seamless travel and transformative hacks that can elevate your adventures to new heights. By applying the tips and tricks shared in this video, you can enhance your travel experiences and create unforgettable memories. We encourage you to embark on your own extraordinary adventures, armed with the knowledge and inspiration gained here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more travel inspiration. And remember, the world is waiting to be explored, so go out and make your travel dreams a reality.